Hello guys, in this tutorial we will create this object. Just click on this new icon, select this part and click on OK. Now first we will create this plate. The dimension is 80 by 80 and 15 height. So for that click on this extrude base, select any plane. So we will choose here this top plane, select this corner rectangle or center rectangle. So we select here the center rectangle, drag the center point and drag other end point. As per dimension, give the dimensions 80 by 80 mm. Click on OK. Go to the feature, extrude boss base and put here 15 for extrude this plate. Click on OK. Then next we will create this portion of 80 mm diameter and 10 mm thickness. So for that, click this upper surface of this plate, go to the sketch, select the center circle, click here the normal to the plane and select the normal to the plane. Drag the center point and click anywhere for the end point. So as per dimension, give the diameter 80 mm and click on OK. Now we have to extrude this circle up to the 20 mm. So put here 20 and click OK. Then next is this cut this portion. The diameter is 60 mm and the thickness is 20 mm. For that, select this face of this extruded circle. Go to the sketch, select this circle, go to the normal plane, and drag the center point, and drag anywhere. Give the dimensions. Diameter is 60. So for that, put here 60, and now we have to cut this circle up to the 20 mm. So for that we will use here this cut command. Select here up to the surface and select the surface. So the surface is this one. Click on OK. Cut is ready. Now next is also uh, we want to cut this small circle. The diameter is 30 mm and the width is 15 mm. So for that, select this middle surface. Click on this normal to the plane. Select this. You have to go to the sketches. Select this circle again. Drag this center point and drag anywhere. So as per dimension, give the dimension is 30 mm. So let's put here 30. Go to the feature. Again, select this extruded cut and select the up to the surface. Select this surface because we want to cut this circle to the surface. So for that, select the surface and click on OK. Yes. So next, we want to create these shapes. So for that, select this surface of this plate. Go to the normal to the plane and go to sketches. Select this, click this small arrow and select this corner rectangle. So we we want to create here one rectangle with the reference of this vertical line and this vertical line. So view the first point, this rectangle, and drag anywhere. And give the dimensions of 50 mm. Yes. Now we have to create this arc of the 80 mm. So for that, choose this circle, drag the center point, click the first point, and after that, end point. Now we want to remove these unwanted entities or shapes. So for that, uh, we will using here these trim entities and remove these shapes. Click on OK. Now we want to extrude the shapes up to the 20 mm. So go to the features, extrude boss base, and put here 20. Click on OK. Now uh, we want cut this circle for the of the 30 mm diameter. So for that, then select this face of this shapes. Go to the sketch, select this circle, click on this center, normal to the plane, and drag the center point and draw one circle. So as per the dimension, the circle diameter is 30 mm. Just put here 30, and again go to the extrude cut or extrude this circle. Select here the up to the surface and select this surface and click on OK. The same shape is required for its opposite side of this object. So for that, we will using here this mirror command. So just click on mirror. So select the reference plane. So around which you want to mirror. So here we will choose this front plane and click on this feature to mirror. So which feature you want to mirror. So just select this feature. So we want to this extrude cut and extrude boss base. Just click on OK. As you can see, our object is ready.